gym. I'm so excited.
I don't have any money.
All right. These first problems say to factor out the greatest common factor from each polynomial. So 18, negative 3z to the 5th w squared minus 18 z cubed w to the 4th.
Whoa.
So what is the greatest common factor that I can take out?
What?
3z 3 3z cubed w squared. That's the most you can take out.
And a negative sign.
And a negative sign.
So negative 3z cubed w squared, and then what does that leave me with?
It leaves you with
Z squared
6z squared.
minus 6. No, plus 6.
Okay.
W squared.
Yep.
So, just a question.
Just an answer.
How did you get nothing in front of z?
Because we took out a negative 3z cubed.
There's something in front of, there's an 18 there.
Right here?
No. On the other side.
Right here? I know, because if you multiply this back through, if you distribute, you're going to get back to here.
Okay. I definitely understand what's happening. Oh, you haven't done the right side of the problem yet?
What? There's not a right side of the problem. There's a one side to the problem.
Just keep going. Oh.
Okay, we'll do another one. 20.
Wait, I think I figured it out. So she's are you
I
asking
don't understand where the 18
why the
went.
6 is in front of the W and not in front
Yeah.
of the Z?
I am.
I can't answer that. I don't
Because
know.
we took out a z.
Okay, so that we make it the Z's just by itself.
Alright, that
So then
definitely
the
makes
6 goes
sense.
So look, you
W.
multiply this back through. Then if you do that, you would get negative 3 z to the 5th
Oh, help! It's because
W squared
It's because we have
minus-
the Z left. We have the Z from the left side left because we only took out 3 out of the
I
5.
still don't understand why the 6 isn't going in front of the z and not the w.
Because that's part of the.
because the z's are gone. I took out all of them. There's none left.
What?
Okay, so.
Oh, I see. I see. Thank you for explaining.
This is just a comedy for you.
It takes us a minute.
I am partially stupid,
We just need a minute.
but I got into college, so we're okay.
That's good. All right, 28r to the 4th s squared plus 7r cubed s minus 35r to the 4th s cubed.
I'm starting to be concerned about college now. I need to be in this class. You took out a 7. 7 r cubed s squared.
No, wouldn't it just be S? Because in
No.
the 7 there's only one S. So you
I'm
only take out
correct.
one.
She wrote it down. Not
What?
correct.
No, there's only one here. Can we have a cookie point? Yes, you can have a cookie point because I wrote it.
Yay! You're being stupid. I knew I was helping.
First cookie point! Our class!
Can you write your faves?
Your faves.
It's because we're
College algebra.
See? I helped that. You're welcome, everyone. I tricked her. That was all part of our plan.
Right.
Okay, so that means that's completely out of it. So it'd be
4R.
4
Sorry. Plus S.
4RS.
Oh,
Now I have to check everything you do.
well, this one's on more line.
And then it's negative 5
Eh.
R. What?
I get a cookie point.
No.
Every 10 mistakes you make, you have to bring me cookies.
It is minus.
It would be a minus because
No, it's not.
It's a
Yes,
positive.
it is.
What about this?
Oh, but that's out of it.
It's gone.
completely.
It's not 0.
Plus
Plus one.
1.
Minus.
I hate these little technical rules. Minus 5r s squared.
Beautiful.
Oh, yes.
These
Alright,
stinky
that's good.
little rules that I can't remember.
Next. I like this paper. These Walmart notebooks are really, really nice. They're like, oh, the backs are good in half, but they're really nice.
26. 5 times a plus 3 cubed minus 2 times a plus 3 plus a plus 3 squared.
Oh, goodness.
Can't you just take an a plus 3 and do something with it?
Do what with it?
Away.
Like throw it out front?
Yeah.
Is this review still?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, I have to. Okay.
My brain gets rid of things.
Ethan, I need help.
This is your turn, Ethan. Is it 10?
5a plus 2 squared.
See, like, teamwork.
Please explain how the cheese balls you got that.
You took out one a plus 3, so you were left with 2 of them.
And you got minus 2. Plus a plus 2.
Man, I thought I caught a cookie point, but I didn't.
I got this. I figured it out. Don't
I
worry about it.
figured it out too.
Ethan, we're killing it. Teamwork.
Why am I in this math class with these dummies?
I'm not looking back there.
Somebody's got to carry this class.
Exactly. Just do group tests.
No.
I think that would be approved by Mr. Law.
Oh, right. Most definitely.
Oh, Mom already made the wreath order, but I think maybe we can add some? I don't know. I was going to ask her tonight.
Okay. Factor each polynomial by grouping. So, 34. 20z squared minus 8x plus 5pz squared minus 2px.
Yes. Whoa. Hold on. There's just a lot going on right now.
Okay, is that like the same thing as 20?
Well, you're factor by grouping, so we're
Oh, I
taking
got
something
it.
out of these and then
Those.
something out of these.
Yeah, I know how to do that. I know how to do that. I'm going to do this one, okay? All right.
Go for it.
4. Hold on. Give me a second.
Say what? You gotta tell me what I'm taking out.
Yeah, I know. I think you're taking out an 4z. Wait, you can't do that. I'm actually really confused right now. Because why is it
What's the biggest thing I can take out of those two?
a 4?
Okay. And what am I left with?
Oh, right. That's all you can take out. You're left with 5z squared minus 2x. The next one, you can take out a p. And you're left with 5z squared minus 2x. Oh,
Now what?
and then you just have 4 plus p and 5z squared minus 2x. That's your answer. I did it! I didn't fail.
All right. Factor each trinomial if possible.
It's not possible.
40. 9x squared plus 4x minus 2.
Whoa. Okay.
That is a slide. Right. So the x squared plus 4x minus 18.
What is going on?
Slide method. How you do that?
What is a slide?
Are you talking about where you multiply these two numbers and then replace the middle one? Okay, so we need factors of 18 that add up to be 4.
Is this arch?
Specifically negative 18.
Is this too technical
Yes.
for me? More like
9 and 2.
Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
9 and 2.
3. They're the same.
I need factors that add up to give you 4.
Oh, whatever she said. But what did you say?
4 and
I don't think so. I'm just checking. I don't want to all of a sudden.
2 plus 2.
To get 18?
Oh, that's 16.
Well, 2 plus 2 is 4.
Yeah.
And 2
I
times
thought
2 is
4
also
times-
4.
I thought 4 times 4 was 18 for a second, but
Oh, I was like, yeah, I don't think so.
Oh my gosh, when I called Steve last night, he kept saying, girl, girl, girl.
Not factorable.
I knew it. See, I
Not
called it before
possible.
we even started.
Okay, let's do another one.
Did you know it wasn't possible looking at it?
Not initially, no.
42.
I wouldn't have picked it if it was. This is what happens when I don't decide ahead of time which problems I want to do. 36x cubed plus 18x squared minus 4x.
Alright, so now we're going to try Ethan's method again, right?
Not yet. To do something first.
Take
Yeah,
out
you
something.
have
Take
to-
out a 4. X.
No, you can't.
Yeah.
4 goes into 18.
And 4 inches.
2.
4 doesn't go into 18
My
though.
bad. 2.
Well, I mean 2 inches.
That's what I meant.
Guys.
2x, and then what does that leave you with?
Oh, what is that number? What is...
Oh,
36
it's
divided by
13x.
That's
squared?
26.
That's 26. Never mind, I take everything back.
17. 6, 15 is 30. So it's 18. 18. 18x squared plus 9x minus 2. Jeez. Now you do that method thing. No, that would just...
Now.
Yes.
36.
Well, we have to
factors of
check.
36.
So then you do slide. I
What
like
is
that.
this? Have we ever learned this before?
I call it arch, but
An
people
arch.
call it different things.
Oh.
Arch slide.
There's also a box method that somebody tried to teach my mom, and when she tried to show me, it looked really confusing. So I just,
I think it's amazing.
Okay, so we know that 18 and 2.
3 and 2.
We're just gonna, yeah.
We're gonna do not what Hope says because I'm dumb. I see how it is.
Well, no, I was gonna factor the whole thing out, but then he just said them, so I just figured I would save some time.
So yeah.
So it's 12 and negative 3 are gonna be our factors.
Okay.
So then we keep the 2x outside. 18x squared.
Plus 12x minus 3x minus 2.
That's fine. Now what?
Then we take out the big thing. So
Gotta combine that term.
don't we?
Well, that's just gonna give me that again.
Oh, yeah.
Don't we
I
take
need to
out,
do something else to factor it first.
Take out 2 or 3. Oh, the first one.
Out of
Okay.
these.
Yeah. So you have 3x. So what's left is
This seems like a lot.
4x plus
Huh?
4.
What's this?
6.
6.
6x.
It's
Plus-
Friday. 4. That one's 4.
There's a song about that.
And then
It's my whole 8th grade year.
minus. There's literally nothing to take.
1.
1, negative 1, so it's plus 3x plus 2.
Minus 2. Oh,
So, did y'all tell me the right thing to take out of the first one?
no.
So what do I need to take out?
I think something's wrong.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
I think we need to switch the place of negative 3 and 12.
It doesn't matter. You get the same answer either way. I should have taken something bigger than 3 out, though. That wasn't the biggest thing I could take out.
6. Cookie point.
No, because y'all told me to put that. Alright, so take out a 6, so then you're left with what in here instead?
3 and 2.
Now they match.
We still should get.
No.
We're about to get one taken away.
So 2x times what?
Let's take a nap. Oh, that's not the answer.
2x.
I really need a nap.
So is this the, where is it x, 6x minus 1
Yes.
Hey,
yes
Times.
Or are you
times
coming
3x plus 2. Yeah.
We learned it like completely different.
Really?
Yeah, it's
What?
like when you get the factors, you just write out the what you call it.
Like you just go straight from like here to here?
Yeah, but it's like, so you got -3 and 12, you do 2x parentheses, x minus 3, and then x plus 12. Then you divide each number by 18, and then you get the same answer.
That sounds harder.
Well, if you would like to still do it that way, since that's how you've done it the whole time, that's fine. I've never done it that way. So you're welcome to still do it that way since that's how you were taught to do it.
Some
And
of us need extra steps.
that'll be fine.
Or
I mean,
just
it's simple.
I think I would have to see it like fully written out for it to make sense to me because I'm like trying to register how you.
Pass me.
Hold on, say it one more time.
Bless you.
Alright, so
So you have 2x.
it's got 2x parentheses, x minus 3, and x plus 12. And those are the factors. And the number you slid with from the
So this one.
18, yeah, you divide each side by 18, so it'd be -3 divided by 18, then 12 divided by 18. Then you would reduce it, then you get 2x. But then you bring that number back, so it'd be 6x minus 1.
This seems like a lot.
I'm sorry. So, I think we should look away or like.
So-
Not advanced enough for this.
So you get down to, wait, hold on. Take out a 6. 2/3.
Yeah, and the denominator goes next to the x. So the 6x.
It's low key easier.
I have no idea how we're getting that, so I
Yeah,
need
x
to
plus
look
2.
away.
Where did the 3 come back?
The denominator.
Oh, I see.
So you said they call this the slide method?
That's what we
That's so interesting. It's unique. I think we should try it.
I kind of like it.
I'm all about new things. I don't care. Sure. Mix it up. I have genuinely never seen that method before, and when you were saying it, I was very confused. But seeing it, I get it. So the denominator goes in front of the x, the other number stays. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna write that down because I'm gonna forget. Denominator. Front of x, other, or let's see, numerator stays.
Are you coming to the tie-dye play a little bit?
We're
We're having tacos! I'm
Okay.
so excited. I'm hungry.
Fantastic. All right, let's see if we can do another one because now I'm intrigued.
I'm also intrigued. That's the word you want to use. I'm ready for my salad.
I'm not intrigued.
46.
What do you have for your lunch tonight?
I think my mom gave me a sandwich.
12s squared plus 11st minus 5t squared.
I like eating sandwiches. She's very
Does
nice.
she do lunch when you eat lunch?
No. I used to eat lunch with them because I had a 4th grade stay all day. So I eat lunch and they're like finishing up and I'll help with them like get down for now. Okay. You're gonna take out. You're gonna,
Nothing.
I don't even know what's going
I
on.
literally cannot.
Hold on. I need a minute. You can't take out anything.
So you need
Oh, you can take out a T. An ST.
No, you can't.
No.
There's no T.
So you need factors of 12 and 5. Do you still do it that way to start it?
Yeah, that's how we usually do it.
Okay, so you still start it by the arch method.
Yeah.
Okay. So factors of
But it's like if it's in, I think it's in like if it's in like a quadratic form. But like a
so not if there's variables on both of them.
yeah.
Okay. I think it would still work that way, but it might be more confusing. Okay.
We're gonna have to pick one and go with it. My brain is like spinning in circles right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
I would say just do whatever method you're used to.
We don't usually solve problems like this.
Is it more complicated? Probably.
Yeah, stage
All right, so I need factors of negative 60 that add up to 11.
4 and 15.
So positive 15, negative 4.
I think all people are this smart. Genius. 3 and 5, 2 and 2. We don't need that?
No.
I don't understand why we're not factoring all the way anymore. What?
Because we don't need to, because we already know what factors work for this.
Okay.
Yeah, we do.
Okay.
It's like, when we fix that, it's like,
Because I think based on what you did here, I think what you would have.
it would be S minus 4t. Right? Yeah,
That's
S minus
where-
4t. And then be in the other bracket, or parentheses, it would be S plus 15t. Yeah.
And then divide by 12.
What? I'm doing it the normal way.
I'll do it the normal way too. I just-
Divided by 12.
I'm intrigued by this method, so I need to see it.
It would be 3s minus t. Then the other bracket is 4s plus 5t. And that's it.
Okay.
I kind of like that. I think I like that one more.
I low-key feel like this would make so much more sense for people like starting out learning factoring. Because I feel like I look like I have 12 heads when I try to teach factoring to people that have never seen it before.
Yeah, I've kind of like
Okay,
this.
we have a big situation on the court.
What?
I did it the normal way and I stood it.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to do the normal way for you.
No.
12s squared
Just for you.
minus 4s plus, wait, st, plus 15st minus 5t squared.
So you can take out a 4s. You'll put 4s plus 1.
What?
I mean plus t.
Minus t.
That's what I meant.
And
That's
then
because I accidentally took out a negative. Okay. 5 t 3 plus minus.
4s plus
Oh,
Look at that.
That
Same
was
answer.
So nice.
I like that one better.
I think I like the slide way more.
Both weird. I don't like either, honestly, for being quite honest. I like that.
I think it's interesting. I've never seen a book teach it this way.
Are you gonna go tell your mom?
Because,
My
like,
one
the way
Teresa
I
said.
do it, I know it's like the traditional method. Because you like going math with, I mean, not math with, but photo math. They solve it that way. But this is the way we was taught.
So did the textbook that you've used previously do it this way?
We didn't have textbook. We just had Chromebooks.
You didn't even have like a digital textbook?
No.
How'd you do homework?
We do it by paper. But then we submitted.
So what'd they do, like just give you random problems? They like made up their own problems and gave them to you? Oh, that sounds awful for a teacher.
Yeah, so it's like we wouldn't cheat or whatever. But we still found a way to cheat.
That was great.
Love to see it. It's okay, I was a student too. I get it. Interesting. So the teacher just taught it this way. Let's say I'd really love to know what textbook teaches it that way because I've never seen it before. But I feel like showing both methods is I like it. Okay.
I think we learned enough today.
That was a big learning stuff. That was a big
My
step
brain
for
is
us.
fried.
Brain is fried. Well, if we do anything else on Monday, it's still going to be on the quiz on Tuesday. So.
No thanks. Let's finish. Let's keep rolling.
All right.
I think we should see. What if we all get 100 on the quiz?
Well, then that'll be great.
Then we'll be like, wow.
Less
favorite
work for me.
class.
All right,
7
58. 2p plus q squared minus 10 times 2p plus q plus 25.
Now what is this?
It's the same thing. But we're gonna do factor by substitution. Lorelai's like, you're gonna. Never mind.
I kept looking. I was so excited because I was like, I know how to do this one.
We're gonna replace the 2p plus q with x. So we're gonna say let 2p plus q equal x. So anywhere we see a 2p plus q, we're gonna replace that with x for the moment. So did you do this a different way too?
You do it. Well, yeah, we just do it the same way.
You wouldn't. Okay. You don't have to do it like this, but it's easier to see for most people, I think, if you do it this way.
The factor part, we do it the same way unless it's
Because, I mean, I'm going to rewrite it as x squared minus 10x plus 25.
yeah, unless it's a coefficient in front of x squared, then we do it the same way.
I think I know what that is.
It's a number.
I know.
Well, this one you don't, I mean, this one you can just factor in general. So what are factors of 25 that give you negative 10?
5
and 5.
5.
So negative 5 and negative 5. So that, because it'd be x minus 5 times x minus 5. Because this is a what?
The thing.
Perfect square trinomial. So you have x minus 5 squared, but we had replaced 2p plus q with x. So wherever we have an x now, we need to replace it back. So we have 2p plus q minus 5 squared. And done.
I'm so sleepy.
All right, more factoring. 60.
Yes, you are. No, yes, you are.
16q squared minus 25.
They're so big. I think they sent me the wrong size, bro. These are huge. Where's the size?
So what is this?
This is.
It's a special type.
This is the not the perfect square. It's the
Difference is squared.
I love that one.
So then what does this factor into?
4q minus 5.
Genius. That's the answer, right?
Yes.
Love to see it, people. Great job. Great job, everyone.
2 25s. I love that. 25 is like
66 p minus 2q squared minus 100.
Is this just a square too?
Yep.
Oh, okay, I got this one, guys.
go ahead.
P. Actually, I don't know what goes there, but like I'm pretty sure the other one is like P minus 10.
Almost.
Plus 10?
Well, okay.
Oh yeah. Okay. I don't know what's happening.
Is it a 1?
Yeah.
Just Q?
You just
Oh,
copy this.
Okay.
Minus 2Q.
Because this is what's being squared. And then you can treat this 100 as 10 squared. So it's just copying down the
What do you have to write it again?
base of it. Because it's a difference of squares.
You guys hope that's the rules.
Okay. See? That's what I was thinking.
I can wait and teach more on Monday. It's going to be on your quiz on Tuesday, so.
No, how many are left? A lot.
I got a haircut yesterday.
40.
40?
What? We're on problem 74 and there are 114 problems.
What is going on with there being so many problems? Okay, well, we can do like a few more.
27 minus r cubed. Well, we only have a few more minutes, so we can only do a few more anyways.
This is not possible to solve.
Yes, it is. Look back at the notes I gave you. What type is it?
Difference of cubes.
Okay.
Do you know
So,
how to solve that?
what
27
cubed is
a
equal
prime
to...
number.
It's a what?
Prime number.
You're so
Do you know what a prime number is?
9, 18, 27. You're right. It has, never mind. It's not a prime number. I do know what a prime number is. 51 is a prime number. No, it's not.
51 is still not prime. 2
It-
is a prime number.
Nothing can go into it, but it itself in 1 is a prime number. But it's 27 is correct.
Okay,
It's
well,
not
what cubed is 27?
3.
3 cubed minus r cubed. Okay,
Okay.
so now factoring a difference of cubes, okay? You copy down the numbers.
3 plus r, 3 minus r, 3 plus r.
Same sign.
Same. 3 minus r,
Then new
3
parentheses.
plus r.
First term squared.
9 plus r.
So 9. Opposite sign.
Minus. Plus r.
Plus the first term times the second term.
3r.
Always positive. Last term squared.
Always positive.
Like 7.
We did this a different one too.
How'd you do this one?
Cause like,
I don't know what we're
like
doing.
you said, it was so great,
Yeah.
and we called it Psalms.
Psalm.
S-O-M.
How do you remember that?
So it's like,
Is that what you remember soap?
so it's like the.
I don't even remember soap.
The first one you square. Well, no, first though, we get the first problem. You just cube each side. So 27 will be 3, and then R cubed would be R. So we didn't do that first part.
Well, you didn't have to write this. I was just trying to make sure we saw what was going on.
But yeah, so it would be like.
Thank you.
Square opposite. Multiply. Positive. And square.
That actually makes sense.
So the first
Stacey's
part,
mind.
first part you square, and then you multiply,
I feel like I'm learning so
Three
much this
all
class
together.
period.
and then you square the R, and then opposite. For the first sign, it's the opposite of the first.
So are you writing this term last?
No, it's the same thing, but it's just like we use a different acronym. That's what.
Oh, you're welcome to keep that acronym if you would like. I never even had an acronym in high school. One of my students a couple years ago that came from like a York County school was like, soap. And I was like, huh? And then he's like, same, opposite, always positive. And I was like, oh, that makes sense.
Cheese. Both shoulders hurt, but mainly my left.
I'm learning so much right now.
Is that concerning?
I'm learning so much.
Probably.
Put KT tape on both of them.
No. Pick your favorite.
I don't care.
Woohoo! We have
Let's just
4
stop there. There's
minutes.
only 5 minutes.
Thank you.
Thanks.
The rest of them are factored by any method, but I am giving you homework.
Woo!
Sad.
The factor by any method is basically just all of these things combined, so I can assign you problems from there too.
I'm concerned. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go home and figure it out.
Okay.
Sounds great.
I'll find a lot of YouTube videos about this.
17, 25, 31.
Oh no, I like 25. I wrote my when I letters wrong. I dare I say 25 is my second favorite number.
35, 49,
All right,
59.
Samira.
$75,
I do not want to put my shoes back on.
99 and 103.
99. I think I don't like the number